Are you wondering how to pay your income tax? Don't worry, you've come to the right place. Remember, you can file your income tax returns only if you have cleared your tax dues. So watch this video till the end to know the two ways you can pay your income tax. First, by using net banking, and second, by visiting your bank. But first, subscribe to HNR Block India to uncover many more secrets like how to save money, make smart investments, and best tax saving shortcuts. Now that you have subscribed, let's look at the first way, which is paying your income tax online. Step 1. Go to TIN NSDL portal at tin-nsdl.com. Under Services, click on e-Payment, Pay Taxes Online. Step 2. Click on the Proceed button under the head Challan number ITNS 280. Remember that you have only 30 minutes to fill the challan. Step 3. Now, in the Tax Applicable section, select the option Income Tax other than companies. And in the Type of Payment section, select the type of payment which you want. For example, if you're paying any balance tax before filing your return, click on Self-Assessment Tax. Choose your preferred mode of payment and enter your PAN and assessment year for which you are paying your tax. For example, if you're filing your tax return for financial year 2018 and 19, the assessment year will be 2019-20. Be extra careful while selecting the assessment year from the drop-down menu. Making a mistake here can result in tax payment for a wrong time period. As a result, you may get a tax notice. Step 4. Enter your complete address, email ID, mobile number, CAPTCHA code, and click on Proceed. You will see a confirmation screen requesting you to confirm your information. Make sure that the information displayed is correct to proceed further. Step 5. Read the pop-up message and give your consent by ticking on the checkbox. Now, check the pre-filled information and click on Submit to the bank. If you wish to edit any details, click on Edit tab to make such corrections. Now that you have filled your Challan 280, it is time to make the tax payment. If you had chosen the net banking option earlier, you will be redirected to your bank's net banking portal, where you can log in and make the tax payment. If you had opted for payment through debit card, you will be redirected to the payment gateway, where you can enter the card details and make the payment. Also, you need to enter the total tax amount that you are paying against the basic tax column to proceed further. On successful payment, you will get the tax challan receipt or counterfoil, which acts as a proof of payment. Keep it safely as it is required at the time of income tax filing. For details like BSR code, challan serial number, date of payment, and tax amount. However, don't worry if you lose it. You can regenerate it through your bank. You can also find your challan details in your Form 26AS after 4 to 5 days from the date of making the tax payment. Remember that you can only file your tax returns if you have cleared your tax dues. Now let's look at the second method of paying income tax. Offline method. You can pay your taxes through cash, check, or demand draft by visiting your bank. Here is what you have to do. Step 1. Visit your nearest bank and ask for Challan 280, or just download and print it from the Income Tax Department's website. You will find this link in the description below. Fill all the relevant details accurately and submit the challan. The bank will provide you with a stamped counterfoil as a proof of payment. Wait, ensure that the counterfoil has 7-digit BSR code of the bank branch, date of deposit of challan in a DD, YY format, and challan serial number. Well, that's all. It's easy. And don't forget to be tax compliant. File your taxes every year online with HNR Block. If you have any more queries with regards to income tax, drop us your questions in the comments below. We'll be happy to help you. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family to help them know their taxes more. Subscribe to HNA Block India by clicking the red button below to get information about personal finance, GST and saving taxes. Check out these videos as well, and when in doubt, always remember, tax से मत डरो, HNA Block के साथ चलो.